We logged everything on this one log. And we had a 3-day rule back then. A lot of places still have a 3-day rule where if nobody touched the customer, then it was just fair game for everybody. Call these people and just get them in here. And I was like, all right. Do you want to come in and buy a car? What do I know what to do? And I hated making the phone calls. I didn't like it at all. Please, God, don't answer. Don't answer the phone. They weren't there again a lot, and I would just hang up. And then we got a new manager. So I got the benefit of the guy that's been running this giant Toyota store. And he comes up to me and he goes, "Kid, is that you? 3 cars? You suck at selling cars. But that's okay, Daddy's here. You got 2 jobs. Number 1, I want this coffee pot full at all times. And number 2, you get on the phone, you can't get an appointment, you put the customer on hold, and you what?" He told me to what? "Just put him on hold and come get me. You shake a customer's hand, you come get me. You breathe on a customer, you come get me. So I want coffee, and I want you to bring me every single customer." And I was freaking out. I was like, man, this guy's crazy. But what happened? I got on the phone when I couldn't get an appointment. What did I do? Put him on hold, called him over. And then all of a sudden I got really, really good at doing what? Phone calls. And I was like, wow, it feels really, really good to call somebody if you have the exact call guide in front of you and I can just read this call guide. And if I make an internet call, what call guide do you think I'm gonna have in front of me? Somebody say it loud, please, or all together. The internet call guide. I'm just gonna read the call guide, and 90% of the time, what am I gonna set? So all of this stuff just works. If you got a call guide in front of you and you know what to do, you're gonna be successful more often than not. So my goal when you guys leave here today is to get you all as comfortable as possible on the phone and make sure that you got a call guide for every single call you make or take. And if you have any doubts on the effectiveness of that call guide, what are we gonna do live in front of everybody? Call the customer.